Alright guys, about to jump in the shower and call it a day. But earlier today I had this idea of a video I wanted to create, and it came back to me on my walk this evening. And so I thought, yeah, I want to create this video. Let's plant the seed. It's kind of like I don't want to forget this idea. I don't think I'll forget this idea. I was thinking about it months ago and it comes back, but I'll just say it's maybe a business idea, a product idea, but really I think it's the future of learning, optimized mastery, and that is having an AI, a large language model that can grade your work. Okay? Imagine, who cares about the business or product? Just imagine this. Imagine you could type your answer to it, say ChatGPT, and it asks you a question. It says, "What is?" and it asks a concept. What is spaced repetitions in learning science? And you type your answer, right? And then you enter, and based on it, it says, you understand it on a spectrum, not yes or no. It's more like you understand. It seems that you have a 90th percentile understanding, or you understand 90% of the concept. You've articulated 90% of it, right? And then it gives you the feedback, potentially right then and there, maybe not, because we've learned that delayed feedback is actually more important and more conducive to better learning. But imagine it can grade you based on 90th percentile, right? And then, like Anki, it takes that 90th percentile or whatever your grade is and determines when it's optimized to show you the next time. So if you got 90% of it correct, it's like, all right, we'll show you it again in 1 day. Or if you got 99% of it again, right, we'll show you it in 2 weeks. And it adjusts when it's going to show you that question and that retrieval again, based off of how it grades your understanding. I think that's really cool. I don't think it's that hard, given we have an accurate large language model that understands the concepts that are being tested. And if we can build language models that have these big understandings of certain topics, well, then we can basically also gamify mastery of a field. Say you have now mastered 1% of the field via these 10 concepts that you've got about 80% correct, or something like that. So AI that can accurately grade your understanding of a concept, and then determine when to next show you that question based on spaced repetitions, based on the forgetting curve, based on how well you currently understand it. And then also, doing that for an entire field. So you can master an entire field in the least amount of time, most efficient way possible. So that's just the idea. AI that can accurately grade your understanding is basically the thing that we need to create this. I think the creating how long to wait to show you after that based on your understanding will vary, or not will vary. It will be easier than the actual model of accurately understanding your understanding, being able to grade that understanding. So hopefully some of that came out accurately. I've got this, like, it was more abstract, and that's a little more concrete, so this is the first time I've kind of verbalized it. But yeah, that's it for the idea. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.